Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Royal Knowledge and Royal Secret. Chapter 9, Shloka 28. Thus shall you be freed from the bonds of actions yielding good and evil fruits, with the mind steadfast in the yoga of renunciation and liberated. You shall come unto me.
Chapter 9, Shloka 28. Shubha Shubhafalair evam mokshyase karma bandhanaihi sannyasa yoga yuktatma vimukto mam upaishyasi.
Chapter 9, Shloka 28. What would be the effect of living life in a spirit of offering with purity and dedication? There are different paths to approach the divinity, but the final spiritual goal is to be one with the self. By living life in a spirit of offering, one can come to claim the highest perfection which meditation promises and the yajna spirit guarantees. The elimination of the vasanas is the duty of every spiritual seeker. This can be brought about by acting without ego and ego-centric desires. The cleansing of the vasanas create the conducive mental attitude for living a divine life. Actions performed with this attitude do not add any reactions in the mind, and the existing vasanas get exhausted during the activities in the world to make the mind more and more purified. A purified mind has more concentration and single pointedness. Such a mind discovers more and more discrimination and lives a life of renunciation by giving up egocentric activities and anxieties for fruit of action. These actions done for the love of the Lord and to dedicate in the end all the results to the Lord become the offering. For such a pure mind, yoga becomes natural. Finally, all the false identifications drop off and he discovers for himself his divine nature. This is the logic of thought running through the Gita. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.